Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I like to show you how I make plum cake, very popular cake in Poland called Placek ze Sliwkami. Very moist and very delicious, perfect dessert anytime, and I hope you enjoy. For the plum cake recipe I need 3 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, 5 egg yolks, plums, about 1 pound, sour cream, 2 tablespoons, vanilla, 1 teaspoon, butter will be 2 sticks of butter, 226 grams, baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon, and pinch of salt. Let's go start it. First step, I remove seed from the prune. It's the easiest way. You see the line, just cut on this line. It's very easy. The fourth step, flour, and the butter is pretty cold. I use the shredder and I will shred butter. And the second one, cover with the flour. Very simple technique and works wonderful. Sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, vanilla, 1 teaspoon, sour cream, 2 tablespoons, pinch of salt. Okay, that's done. And 5 egg yolks. Perfect. And now I'll combine all ingredients. Very quick process, you can see. Okay, and it's done. Took me 3 minutes, and I will divide this dough. One bottom part will be a little bit larger than upper part, and I'll put in a freezer for about 30 minutes. Now I put in butter on the bottom and the side of the baking pan. The dough stay in the fridge for 30 minutes. Just spread nicely. The next step, I will make meringue. I have 5 egg whites, 1 pudding. I use the vanilla pudding. The egg white down. Next step, pudding. Let's go check how sweet is meringue. Perfect. Yummy. Delicious. The prunes, I just remove seeds and I use the potato flour, potato starch, and just cover prunes with the potato starch and just cover nicely. The potato starch will hold the juice. Perfect. Done. Okay, next step, the prunes I will put in a baking pan, skin side down. Now I use a little bit cinnamon, just cover. Cinnamon and prunes works wonderful together. The last part, meringue, I put on a top of prunes, like this. Like this. And the last step, I will shred the dough. I keep in the freezer. This will be the last layer. Perfect. And delicious plum cake is done, and I will bake in oven 350 degrees. Bake for 35-40 minutes. 40 minutes pass. Look at this cake, it looks beautiful. It's done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out and see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.